Hello, welcome to Andra's Corner. Today I'm gonna do a few yoga stretches which target the whole body. It involves sun salutation A, warrior 1, neck and arm stretches, and last but not least, hamstring stretches. And then let's get into it. First, stand on one corner of your mat with your feet close together and take a couple of deep breaths. Find your balance by inhaling and exhaling. You can stay in this position for a longer period if you want. And then inhale, raise your hands overhead, bend backwards generously, tighten your hips, open in the chest, exhale, and forward fold. Tailbones up, hands next to your feet, pressing your body to your legs. Inhale, set your right foot back to lunge position. Bring left foot back to plank position. Hold your breath and exhale to half plank position. Inhale for upward facing dog. And lift your tailbones to downward dog position. Stay in this position for a few moments. Shift your weight to one leg by bending the other. Play around and feel the stretches in your whole body, in your hamstrings, in your back, your neck. Release the tension by inhaling and exhaling. And then slowly bring your legs towards your hands by stepping slowly. Transition to half forward bend. And then slowly get back into your standing position, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the next round. Now inhale, bring your hands overhead, bend backwards. Exhale, and then bring both of your feet back to the high plank position. Transition to downward dog. Bring your right leg up to the ceiling. Bend the knee, bring it towards your right elbow. Put the foot between your arms. Put your arms over your head. And then slowly bring the hands back towards the ground. And then bring your right leg back to the plank position and repeat the same on the other side. Now I'm going to stretch my neck exclusively because it's been feeling so tense lately. You start by putting your face downward and stay in the same position for about 30 seconds. Inhale and exhale and focus on the tension behind your neck. When the time's up, bring your face towards the ceiling and hold the position for 30 seconds. Inhale and exhale and focus on the areas where you are feeling tense. Now slowly bring your head back to the center position and turn your neck to the left. Feel the tension on the right shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, feel the tension, and exhale, release the tension. Now turn your head over to the right side and repeat the same thing. Bring your head back towards the center. Now I'm going to turn my head 360 degrees slowly. The slower you go, the better you will feel. Rotate in the same direction for 3 times and repeat the same on the other direction. Please remember, we are not building muscles around our neck. Instead, we are stretching it. So, it is very important that we go it slowly. My father had a very severe neck arthritis, and when he went to see the doctor told him to do these exercises, and he even said that he didn't even need any medication, and by just doing these simple exercises he can heal and get better without taking any medicines. And turns out I had a mild neck arthritis, and I did the same thing. By doing these simple exercises, I recover in like about 2 or 3 weeks or so. Now I'm going to get into my all-four position and do the cat-cow pose to release extra tension from my back and my neck. Repeat it for a few times at your own pace. From all-four position, get down on the ground with your face towards the ground. Bring your left arm out towards the side and slowly shift your body weight to the side with the help of your right arm. Stay in this position for about 20 seconds. Slowly get back to the center and repeat the same on the other side. When you're ready, get back to the center and bring your left arm to the side. Shift your weight over and bend your knees if you can. And if you feel comfortable, bring your right arm into the air and slowly try to touch the left hand on the ground. Stay in the position for about 20 seconds. Now slowly turn your body back into the center and repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to get into center and transition into Cobra pose. Get out of Cobra pose by slowly getting into all fours and relax by sitting on your feet for a few seconds. Then I'm gonna lie down on my back to stretch my hamstrings. Bring your left leg all the way up to the ceiling. Grab the feet with the opposite hand. Straighten the leg as much as you can. The other leg rests on the ground. If you can reach your feet like I do, you can either use some towel or yoga rope or anything and use it as a medium. Now slowly bring your feet back onto the ground and repeat the same on the other leg. Now I'm going to stretch my glutes. Your right leg over the left knee. It somehow looks like a number 4. From this position, bring your left leg up by bending the knee, and you will feel the stretch in your right hamstring. Stay in this position for a couple of seconds and then repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going into child pose and then I will rest with Shavasana. You can rest about 5 minutes or even more. For me, I only took a rest like a few minutes, but it is better to do for 5 full minutes to have a good rest. To kick off the stress from school, from work, from whatever you are doing, and let's call it a day. Thank you for joining me in this yoga practice today. Remember to take these moments of mindfulness and self-care with you off the mat. Embrace each day with kindness, gratitude, and a peaceful mind. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more yoga and wellness content. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and until next time, Namaste.